Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now.
Potato cheese balls. Crispy on the outside, soft and cheesy on the inside. A perfect tea time snack or party starter that everyone loves. Hi, I'm Laddie and today we're making delicious Goan-style potato cheese balls with a perfectly crispy coating and a melty cheesy center. This recipe is simple, uses everyday ingredients and gives you that restaurant quality bite at home. So let's get cooking now and prepare these delicious potato cheese balls. Step 1. Preparing the ingredients. Ingredients for the potato mixture. 3 medium-sized potatoes weighing around 500 grams. 2 cheese cubes weighing 20 grams each. 1 green chili, very finely chopped. 3 cloves of garlic, very finely chopped. 1/4 cup of finely chopped coriander leaves. 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper powder. 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Ingredients for the slurry. 4 tablespoons of maida or all-purpose flour. 4 tablespoons of corn flour, 2 pinches of salt, 2 pinches of black pepper powder, 1/4 cup plus 1 or 2 tablespoons of water. Ingredients for the cheese filling. We have used 5 cheese cubes, but you can also use a combination of mozzarella cheese and cheddar cheese for better taste and pulling effect. For coating, you will need 3/4 cup of breadcrumbs. You will also need sufficient oil for deep frying. Step 2. Boiling the potatoes. Place the potatoes in a pan and cover completely with water. Boil for 30 to 40 minutes or until a fork inserts smoothly. Turn off the heat and allow them to cool slightly. Peel them completely once warm enough to handle. Step 3. Preparing the potato mixture. Place the potatoes in a bowl. Then cut it into smaller pieces so it's easier to mash them. Mash the potatoes using a potato masher or a fork. You can use a fork to break any lumps that are still visible. Now take 1 cheese cube and grate it. Do the same with the other cheese cube. Mix it well. Add the salt. Add the black pepper powder. Add the chopped green chili. Add the chopped garlic. Also add the chopped coriander leaves. Mix everything until well combined. Check the taste and add anything that is required. Refrigerate for 15 minutes to firm up. Step 4. Preparing the slurry, breadcrumbs and the cheese filling. To prepare the slurry, add maida, corn flour, salt and pepper. Mix everything nicely. Add water gradually to form a thick, smooth slurry that coats the back of a spoon. The slurry should not be too thick nor too watery. It should be the perfect consistency that coats the back of a spoon. The slurry is ready. For preparing the breadcrumbs, keep 3/4 cup breadcrumbs ready in a separate bowl. Preparing the cheese filling. Take 1 cheese cube and cut it into 4 equal parts. Do the same with the other cheese cubes. Your cheese cubes are ready. Step 5. Shaping the potato cheese balls. Take a small portion of the potato mixture and flatten it in the palm of your hand. Place 1 cheese cube piece in the center Close and shape it into a smooth ball.
Hello everyone. Do check out our new channel, Get Cooking Global, for some of the most popular recipes from India and around the world. The link for the channel is provided in the comments and description box. Or simply comment Get Cooking Global and we will send you the link.
Similarly, prepare the other cheese balls. Refrigerate for 15 minutes to firm up. Coating the cheese balls. Dip the potato ball in the slurry. For further details regarding this or any of our other recipes, always refer to the description box for accurate and updated information. Then transfer it to the breadcrumbs. Coat it all over with the breadcrumbs. You can just do this part and fry them. But if you dip it again in the slurry, and coat it in the breadcrumbs, you will get a nice thick and crispy coating on the outside, which will also prevent the cheese from oozing out. Prepare all the balls in the same way. We got 17 cheese balls. The size was slightly bigger than 1.5 inch in diameter. You can get more or less number of cheese balls depending on the size you make. Step 6. Frying the cheese balls. Heat oil in a heavy bottom pan on medium heat. Check if the oil is hot by inserting a wooden stick into the oil. If you see bubbles appear immediately, then the oil is ready for frying. Once the oil is hot, add the cheese balls. Do not overcrowd. Keep turning them around so that all the sides are evenly cooked. Fry slowly until golden, crispy and evenly browned, allowing the cheese inside to melt. Once done, remove and place on paper napkins. Your crispy, cheesy and delicious Goan potato cheese balls are ready. Serve them hot with tomato ketchup, mayo, a combination of both, or your favorite dip. Enjoy them immediately while they are hot, soft and cheesy inside. Do write a comment and give us your feedback on this recipe. So until next time, stay healthy and stay blessed.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.